that's big power grid there, but the other one, that's the high transmission lines. What's this sign say? The Sirindhorn Dam.
Left Sirindhorn Dam.
We might be able to get to it.
Yeah, 11 kilometers.
Oh, pretty entrance.
Oh, here. Oh. It's beautiful. Oh, he said around here that go to ask for permission.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
It's a restaurant. The number two intersection slow down. Sun left side.
Well, this is number one.
This number one. People more. Just drive all around here is a lot, huh?
Yeah.
It was very big. Number two. Oh, this can ask for drone, and you want to go.
What is it?
Yeah, ask for drone. Just go in. Yeah.
That's the headquarters?
I think no advertisement or something that you can ask here.
In 150 meters, make a U-turn.
Just park here. I cannot go ask.
Yeah, wait.
I cannot take the paper with me. Maybe if I have for permission. Now we go back to the second one.
Okay, for anybody that's interested in doing a drone at Sirindhorn Dam, you are able to do it. Just do not fly over the solar farm. But you'll be able to see the solar farm very easily once you get up in the air.
Yeah.
And on this dam, they'll allow you to fly over the water even. This is the first one of the
Take the next left.
government dams that's allowed it.
Golf course.
Take the next right.
Oh yeah, here. It'sต่อบ้านพัก left side here. Go here. Here's the restaurant and contact the place to stay.
Oh, do you?
Yes,
Oh,
we have to
so
come
we're
here.
going to stay here?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're gonna stay
that's
here.
cool.
Yes, go
That'd be
very
nice to
clean.
go out for a walk in the
Yeah.
evening.
Make
Yes.
a U-turn, then
Yeah,
turn right.
Go to the place that we have contact.
Okay, we got our room here at Sirindhorn Dam. It's a pretty nice room. We've got a lake view and the restroom here. We could have got the newer buildings across the street, but this has a lake view out the window. The other ones are new, but they're across the street from here. But they're pretty nice. First time I walked in here, I didn't step up. About broke my neck. But nice double closet here. We put our stuff in there already. Good size refrigerator. Tiny little TV. Not here to watch TV though. Aircon. Comes with a Thai woman already in the building. That makes into a bed also, so if you... The good thing about these rooms, they're 1,200 baht with a lake view, but if you're a Thai senior, you get them for half price. So we got the rooms for 600 baht. We're not sure if we're going to stay here one night or two. We'll see how things go tomorrow and tonight. We've got other missions we're going to go on tonight. We're at the Araya restaurant. It's out by the lake, Sirindhorn. Uh-oh, this is low hanging for my tall head. Oh, they have a dinner party already going. They have a bunch of places set up already. It's a good thing we came a little bit early.
Yeah, don't get close to the
Yeah, most of this place is set up for a big party. Okay, well, we'll share the food when we get it.
Yeah.
Is that everything? I still got that
Not yet,
fish.
not yet. Only another two. You can order.
Okay, the food is rolling in now. And Jai will have to tell you the names of these because
This is yamวุ้นเส้นหมูยอ The
Yang Munsen.
ยำวุ้นเส้นหมูยอ
Okay, and this is
ข้าวผัด
Kalpak
กุ้ง
Gung
shrimp
shrimp.
and this
Fish
Fish
cakes. I got that one.
in Thai called ทอดมันปลากรายทอดมันปลากราย very famous this very delicious fish.
Okay, we have another, the
Two things.
famous fish is still coming.
Yes.
Of course, Jai had to get her white rice.
ผัดฉ่าปลาคัง
Okay, this is stir-fried catfish with chili paste. And Jai brought it up in Thai, in English there,
ฉ่า
translated.
ปลาคัง
ผัดชาปลาคัง
Okay,
very delicious.
stir-fried catfish with chili paste.
Okay, this you can eat all.
Okay, this is the little fried fish,
ปลาเนื้ออ่อนทอดกระเทียม
and you eat the entire thing, bones and all.
Yeah.
ปลาเนื้ออ่อนทอดกระเทียม
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 Fried soft bone fish with
Fried
garlic.
soft-boned fish with garlic.
You can eat all everything. The
Okay.
bone, calcium.
So that sums up our meal. We had 5 dishes, right? And the total came out, well, we could have counted it right here, to $8.45. So exactly how many dollars is that? I don't know. Let's see, 35, 70, so I don't know, $25 US.
Very good.
Yeah.
Spicy but delicious.
Very spicy. Oh my God, my
Yes, medium.
nose started running
Yeah.
right away.
Medium
Yeah,
was
Jai ordered medium spicy, but
He just
look at the chilies in there. First to catch sunrise in Thailand. We're right next to Laos at Sirindhorn Dam. It took a little while for the sun to come out from the little clouds over there. It's still trying to work its way out. Beautiful morning here. Hear the water lapping against the bank. I'm surprised I'm standing out here with just my shorts on and there's no mosquitoes out. We had a beautiful evening here. Our place we're staying is right here. It's really nice. It's the closest you can get to the water here as far as I know. The ones across the street are brand new, but I chose the one that we could open our window and look outside here at this view. Good morning, Thailand. That's Laos right there on the other side. This is the first longer trip we've done since we've had this pickup. It rides real nice and it appears to do pretty darn good on fuel too. I got, I'll have to check what it is in miles per gallon, but I did 11.4 kilometers per liter. Jai in front of the Sirindhorn Dam sign. It's pretty nice up here this morning. We're getting ready to check out and start our day. What's that say?
Welcome. Welcome in Thai.
I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me